Hey guys, I'm Tim, and this week on The Joy of Moving, I wanted to show you how to do the Fifth Rite. The Fifth Rite is from the 5 Tibetan Rites, and really actually there's 6 Tibetan Rites. However, the Sixth Rite requires a certain commitment to be able to do, which is a really odd commitment when you consider that it comes after the Fifth Rite, which I'm about to show you now. But this is a family show, and if you want to know what I'm talking about, you can Google it. But anyway, so the Fifth Rite it's a wonderful movement, and it's basically like moving from a downward dog to a cobra in yoga. But you don't hold anything as much as you just move back and forth. And I like it because it really gets in the eyes and the head into the movement. So it's a super huge head nod, which activates the vestibular system. But it's great for opening up the hips and getting some good mobility in the shoulders and thoracic spine and the neck. But so all you do is get on your hands and feet and butts high to the sky like a downward dog, and then you're gonna raise your head, drop your hips down to the floor. You can give a little squeeze to your glutes and open up your hip flexors. Feels amazing. And then you can inhale, push your back up to the butt, back up to the sky, and bring your chin to your chest or your head below. So it's a big giant head nod. So I'm just gonna shut up and do it. This is the Fifth Rite, and again, it feels great on the hips. So the hips go into extension, the shoulders go into extension, the hips go into flexion, the shoulders go into flexion. And if you want, well, you can breathe a couple of ways. You can exhale here, and then inhale as you push your butt back, or you can even reverse it. Inhale here, and exhale as you push your butt back. And depending on who you are, one might feel better than the other. Anyway, that is the Fifth Rite. Great, fantastic movement. Super huge head nod. Activates the vestibular system. You're moving your eyes, your neck, opening up your hips and your shoulders. Feels good on the thoracic spine also. There's a nice lengthening sensation. And it's a great way to wake yourself up in the morning or get yourself prepared to move. So that is the Fifth Rite from the 5 Tibetan Rites, and maybe one day I'll do the rest of the Tibetan Rites, minus the 6th one, because of the commitment. And if I do the 5 rites, then it's going to be weird that I actually started with the 5th one. I think I just like this one the most. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim. This is The Joy of Moving.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.